Hi, third grade. It's Wednesday night right now. I'm posting assignment for you for tomorrow. It's going to be due on Friday, although I realize there's no school on Friday, so you might want to get it done tomorrow so you have the weekend free. You've been doing such a good job with all your online things. I'm so proud of you. I've made a ton of mistakes and you've been patient with me. Thank you so much for that. It's a work in progress, all of us learning this all at once. Okay, so for the last thing you have due for me this weekend, before Friday, I want you to go into your search engine and search for fun facts for kids about Mercury, Venus, and the Earth. You need to have 3 facts per planet. So that would be 3 times 3. You can do the math on that one. And those are due to me by creating a Google Doc, which I'm going to show you how to do just to refresh your memory because I know this has been a big couple weeks of technology for all of us. Okay, so when you go into your Google Stream, it looks like this, although this is my teacher screen, so yours might look a little bit different than this. And you know that you're in the stream when this blue bar says stream. Classwork is here, and I don't know if yours has people and grades. And your assignments normally pop up right here. Some of you have been having trouble navigating, just finding the videos in here, and I haven't posted a video yet for tonight and tomorrow, but when you scroll, you can see everything. Now, this is my own homeroom, kids, but you can see every little comment that people have made. Now, some places you have to click in when it says 2 class comments to see everybody else's comments, but then you can just scroll. And as you scroll, and scroll, you will see, you come to my videos. And they're just embedded in the stream whenever I posted them. And as you can see, to try to get to yesterday or this morning's, it's way down there. I have to scroll, but then there you have it. There's the video. And there was a link to Mystery Science. If you weren't able to access Mystery Science, I think their system was kind of overloaded. You can go into it now. You can re-click this link and you can watch the broadcast again. It won't be live, of course, but you can still see it. And again, if you go into it now, make sure you skip the voting part that comes up at first, because if you skip the voting, it will take you right immediately to the actual broadcast that they did. Okay, now let's move over to our binders, and here's how I take attendance every day, which I think I've shown you before. Your work for yesterday, or today I guess, was with these word problems in your binder on page 148. And this one should have been 8 times 3, because of 3 girls, and that is 24 flowers. And this one was 18 shells divided by his 3 cousins. And again, if you know that 8 times 3 is 24, no, that doesn't actually help you. Sorry, I thought that was the same problem. So you have to figure out how many times you count by 3 to get to 18. Or you can take half of 18 and then take another 3 off of that. Okay, so what did you guys come up with this? Did you come up with 6? 6 shells? And this one was multi-step. So 4 friends were making cards. They each made 9 cards. So when I try to do 4 times 9, I call it to myself 4 times 10, which will be 40, minus one group of 4, so that's 36. Then they put all those cards together and bundled them in groups of 6. So you have to do 36 divided by 6. And the answer I'm not going to tell you the answer to that one. I want you to see if you got this one wrong, then I want you to go in and see if you can fix it. You don't have to go back and fix it on the Google form. It's okay. But I want you to see if you can figure out how many times you count by 6 to get to that 36. And you could just do it this way. 6, and the next count by is 12. And then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is your next count by. And keep going to get to 36. And you'll see how many groups of 6 there were to get to 36. I think that's about all I have for you right now. Let me just tell you again that when you do your planet fun facts, please make sure it's something actually that you find interesting. I always use the example, nobody really cares how far away Venus is because those numbers don't really mean anything to us as third grade. We just know it's really, really far away. So try to find some facts about each planet that set them apart from the rest of the planets. Like for instance, Earth, maybe a fun fact would be it's the only planet that sustains human life. It's kind of an important one. And it does definitely set Earth apart from the rest of the pack. Trying to think if there's anything else. I feel like there was something else. I don't know, but I guess we're supposed to be getting snow flurries this weekend. You never know what the weather in Pennsylvania is going to be like in spring. I really hope you're all doing well. Everything's going to be okay. We're all going to get through this. I really do appreciate your time and your flexibility and your effort. And I appreciate your parents' help too. I just remember what I'm supposed to show you. When you go to submit these facts into me, you are going to go into this little, I always call this the waffle. This waffle gets you back to all your apps through Google Classroom, through Google. So when you click on those apps, why is it not working for me? Let me go back into my email. Hold on. So let me go into my drive. Okay. When I go into my, you can just get this, by the waffle, but when you go into your waffle, then you're going to choose Google Docs and you're going to select this. And this will pop up, and you want to go to the plus because that means that's a new document. It's a blank new document. So you click that and it'll come to a blank sheet. Now it says untitled here. If you want to give it a title like, you know, Mrs. Kudrick's Facts for the Planets, go ahead, whatever. And then you go into the body here and you type. Now remember, you need capital letters and periods for your facts. And you need to make sure you put the planet's name in there because I need to know which planet you're talking about. Planets have capital names because they are proper nouns. If you want to change your font size, because I'm old and my eyes don't see well, in case you've never known that about me, and I know you do, you can change the font size if you want, but don't spend a million hours making this look beautiful with planets. I don't care about graphics or clip art or anything. I just want to hear your interesting facts. Please make them interesting. And then once you get done with that, you go into the share button and you click that and you can name your title. And if you say save, and then you can put my email in. Now, if you have any trouble with that and you can't navigate that, you can email me or you can have your parents remind text me. I am actually going to take a break from school. I hope you do the same thing over the weekend. I'm going to try not to check my computer too much over Easter weekend so I can really enjoy some time with my family. And I will check back in with you Monday morning. I will be posting again my office hours at 9:30. All right, third grade. Boy, do I miss you. I hope you guys are doing so well. I love hearing your little comments and things you're saying, and I wish we could do this together in person. But hang in there. We'll talk to you soon. Happy Easter. Bye.